Hello, ma'am, sir. Good day. My name is Michelle Kagawan. I'm 38 years of age. I live in the province of San Nicolas, Pangasinan, Philippines. I'm a single mom with two daughters. One is 14 years old and one is 5 years old. I graduated as hotel and restaurant management. My birthday is on January 24, 1988. I'm Aquarius. My working experience are I worked in Abu Dhabi for 5 years with one employer. My main duties there is taking good care of a newborn baby, cleaning and sanitizing feeding bottles, washing clothes, ironing clothes, and cleaning the house. I also worked in Hong Kong for 6 months. My main duties there is car wash, cooking, ironing, cleaning the house, and marketing. I love cooking. I can also cook Arabic food, Western food, Chinese food, and Filipino food. Hoping you considered me one of your housemates. Thank you and good day, Mom, sir.